In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadows in Pixlr. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean drop shadow effect to make your images and objects stand out more professionally. First, open your web browser and go to the Pixlr editor. Once the editor is loaded, open the image you want to work on. This can be a photo, a logo, some text, or any element that you want to highlight with a shadow. After your image is open, look over to the right-hand side of the screen where the Layers panel is located. In that Layers panel, click to select the specific layer you want to add the shadow to. This is important because Pixlr will only apply the effect to the layer that's currently active. If you are unsure which layer is which, you can toggle the little eye icons on and off to see what disappears and reappears on the canvas. With the correct layer selected, move your attention to the top toolbar and hover your mouse over the filter menu. A drop-down list will appear. From this list, click on Drop Shadow. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear with all the settings you can adjust for your shadow. Inside this pop-up, you'll see a color swatch next to the word Color. Click on that swatch to open the color picker. Here, you can change the color of your shadow. Most of the time, a dark gray or black works well for a natural look, but you can choose any color if you're going for a more creative or stylized design. Next, adjust the opacity of the shadow using the opacity slider or by typing in a specific value. Higher opacity will make the shadow darker and more solid, while lower opacity will create a softer, more subtle effect. Right below or nearby, you'll see the blur control. Increasing the blur will soften the edges of the shadow and make it look more realistic, as if it's fading out. Decreasing the blur will give you a sharper, more defined shadow edge. You'll also see options for offset X and offset Y. These control the direction and distance of the shadow from your object. Offset X moves the shadow left or right, and offset Y moves it up or down. Try dragging these sliders until the shadow lines up with the light direction in your image, so it feels natural and consistent. Take a moment to fine-tune all these settings until the shadow looks the way you want. When you're happy with the result, click Apply in the pop-up. Your shadow effect will now be added to that layer, and you can continue editing or save your final image from Pixlr.